Welcome to CoFounder, the AI native operating system where ideas become autonomous allies. First, log in and navigate to the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down until you see AI Agent and click to open your AI Executive Agent Hub. On this page, hit the Create My Agent button to begin the setup workflow. That is click 1. A pop-up asks for a few details. Give your AI agent a clear, recognizable name. Role-based titles such as Sales Agent, Marketing Assistant, Customer Success Coach, or Chief Compliance Officer work well. If you're creating an AI doppelganger, you can use the person's real name, for example, Kyle Andia, for instant familiarity. Add a concise one-line description. Or simply paste a LinkedIn URL. And let CoFounder auto-scrape key skills. Uploading a photo or choosing an avatar is optional, but helps the team spot the agent quickly. When the fields look right, click Create Agent Detail. Great! Click 2 down, 1 more to go. CoFounder now auto-generates your agent speciality, key skills, goals, and more. No manual entry required. Review each field and edit anything you'd like to tailor. You can keep the conversation starters, or create new ones, so teammates can see at a glance where the agent excels. Prefer a cleaner chat window? Simply leave the list blank or delete all starters to keep the space uncluttered. Remember the rule: rubbish in, rubbish out. The real power comes from the knowledge you feed it. In the knowledge field, upload PDFs, slide decks, standard operating procedures, anything your team already relies on. You can even link internal project boards and assessment records hosted inside CoFounder. The richer the data, the smarter the agent. Now for click 3. Press Create AI Agent and your new digital teammate is officially on the roster. 3 clicks, job done. Let us test drive the agent by clicking Start Chat. Ask a question or assign a task. And watch it respond in real time using your workspace context. For fast conversations anywhere in the platform, click Ask CoFounder, the shortcut that follows you everywhere in the platform. Start by telling CoFounder who you want to talk to. Pick any agent you've already created from the drop-down list. Next, decide how that agent should think. Need a quick draft? Choose a lighter model. Want a more thorough analysis? Switch to a heavyweight reasoning engine. Because CoFounder is LLM-agnostic, the newest models are always on tap. Finally, choose what the agent can see. Flip specific data sources on or off. You can also attach a file right into the panel. So it's referenced instantly in this chat. Want to see the AI reasoning? Toggle Show Reasoning to display every step the agent takes to reach its answer. Prefer a cleaner feed? Turn the switch off. You could also use the Show AI Suggestions toggle to hide next question prompts whenever you like. Every exchange is automatically saved in the History tab, so you can revisit, export, or audit the conversation anytime. Need to make a change? Head back to the AI Agent tab and open the AI Executive Agent Hub. Select the agent you want. Click the three-dot menu and choose Publish to list the agent in the Discovery portal. Edit to adjust any field, or delete to retire the agent permanently. After updating, be sure to hit Update AI Agent to save your changes. Ready to show off your work? Click Publish, and your agent goes live in CoFounder's Discovery portal, where others can discover it and collaborate. You can also browse published agents. And import any of them straight into your own AI Executive Agent Hub for immediate use. And that brings us to the finish. Idea to impact. Faster than ever. Stay ahead with CoFounder.